There are pros and cons of being color neutral. When most people start off solving a Rubik's Cube, they only do cross on one color every single solve. The benefit of this is that the white pieces stand out. So when you're in your 15 seconds of inspection, you can spend the whole time looking for one cross color. You don't have to focus on the other colors on the cube. You just see the white pieces right away. They stand out because you always do white. And so you see those pieces right away and you can have the full time to solve that white cross, right? Like that. And then the drawbacks of this though, is if white cross isn't good. So in that stage, you can start doing dual color neutral, which is solving on opposite sides. So for example, white and yellow cross. So you want to do this so that if white cross is bad, you can switch to yellow. And in most cases, white and yellow, there'll be one good cross, or at least one acceptable cross that is a decent solution. And what you want to do to get better at a different cross color is switch to, for example, yellow and do that repeatedly for like a week or two. And so stop doing white, switch to yellow, and just find only yellow cross solutions. And you'll notice at first is that it's harder to recognize because it's a whole different orientation. White's on top now. You may insert F12 pairs incorrectly. Like you might go like that. That'll happen a lot in the beginning. But once you get more used to the scheme of yellow cross, you'll slowly get closer times to your main cross color. And then at that point, you can implement both cross colors in your solves and then use as much inspection time as you want to plan out a good cross solution, look at white and yellow and see which one's best, and then do those in your solves. And then once you've gotten used to doing two cross colors, it'll be easier to find the best cross in under 15 seconds. Now, once you're at that stage, if you're ambitious, you can go to full color neutral. I just do white yellow for context. So if you're full color neutral, the benefits is you can look at every side and there may be a good cross on red, for example, or orange or blue. And you can do that cross solution, but the drawback is you only have 15 seconds of inspection, right? So it's hard to look at each cross color and find a cross solution within that time restraints. So it's up to preference. I at the moment prefer just doing two crosses. I do primarily white. If white's bad, I do yellow. I keep it simple, but there's definite advantage if you do color neutral. You can do cross, if it's 3 pieces solved already, like this, right off the bat, you can just do red right away, then you can get really fast time.